Hey guys, it's Dr. Sanctis from Down Under. We're going to go through the Pompadour for the Mitsutani World Competition. We're going to put in our baseline. So really the baseline is the foundation of the haircut. We're going to go up to 90 degrees. We want to keep the haircut very square. 90 degrees, and it's reverse tapering. Give it a nice soft look. So now it's really just taking the bulk off. To the back of the ear, one motion. We're going to join the back into the first side. I want it longer, I over direct, giving the front a bit of lift, and also the side. Follow your haircut, let it happen. Stretch into the style it's going to be. Never round off your crown, and I'll come in a different angle and I'll just texturize. That's how I created that movement on the top. We're going to do our products, Love Roozle, all three products at once, working it all through. Now we'll finish off for the Magic Fork Master, our Instant Rockstar. Thank you very much. Okanura and Number Itch.